So one of the reasons we believe that these proteins misfold in the first place is that the organelles that are responsible for clearance fail, such as lysosomes and proteasomes. And so the idea to augment the function of these organelles to facilitate clearance is a very reasonable approach from a therapeutic perspective. Another therapeutic perspective that's related to this is using immunotherapy. So using antibodies to clear misfolded proteins once they are extracellular is being tested, has been tested for amyloid for a number of years without much success. But right now, emphasis is being put on clearing tau for Alzheimer's disease and alpha-synuclein for Parkinson's disease.